Model of an elevator. An elevator is a transport device used to move goods or people vertically. An elevator consists of a cab or car mounted on a platform within an enclosed space called a shaft, which is moved up and down using a motor. A counterweight balances the weight of the cab or car. Switches in the cab or car help move it up, down or stop. Requirements: 1 plyboard sheet about 24 inches by 12 inches, 6 thread reels, 6 nails, 1 cardboard box, string, a small weight, 1 toy. Method: tie 1 string to the bottom of the cardboard box and 2 strings to the top of the box. This acts as the cab of the elevator. Drive nails through the reels into the wooden board. Slip the bottom string of the car over the reels marked D, C, B and A. Wind the string several times around the reel B. Tie its other end to the top of the box. Run the second string from the top of the box over reels E and F and fasten it to a small weight 100 grams. Balance the weight of the cab. Turn the windlass reel B with your fingers. The car will go up and down. Put 1 toy in the cab as a passenger.